Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet like street food. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add finely chopped onions, green chilies, and fresh cilantro. Season with a pinch of turmeric and a dash of red chili powder for that authentic flavor. Whisk everything together until just combined, ensuring a light and airy texture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious street-style omelet. Now let's cook. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in your non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, pour the egg mixture into the pan, gently spreading it to form an even layer. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see the edges begin to set and small bubbles form on the surface. This indicates it's almost ready for the next step, keeping the center slightly moist. Time to fold. Carefully loosen the edges of the omelet with a spatula. Once it moves freely, gently fold one side over the other, creating a classic half-moon shape. Cook for an additional 30 seconds on each side, just enough to get a beautiful golden brown color and ensure it's cooked through. This quick finish locks in the flavors and gives it that perfect street food appeal. Your street-style omelet is ready. Serve it immediately, perhaps with an extra sprinkle of fresh cilantro for garnish. It pairs wonderfully with toasted bread, a warm buttered bun, or even a simple roti. For an extra kick, add a dollop of spicy ketchup or a tangy green chutney. This quick and flavorful dish is perfect for a hearty breakfast or a satisfying snack, bringing the taste of the street right to your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.